Fantastic morning. I was watching what Kwabe Maso said, "Ya goody monsam, Ebreo, or Bedroom Jumadi so, and some yana dots with yourself at a salt in Badwam on Yadebro. Yabasa na game park games. One more day, Abba, me a day, bro. What's a game park? A year for and I'm so the a disca, a gum botomo. Na a bar, yes, I know, yeah, camera for more if you had them when you want some get what. I'm on your money, don't know I will matre or any pick one or the three ashim. Oh, my 10 was any pick a 10. And not only this guy. Until to hold get questions. Oh, I know how to this me worry on the 14th. And the 14th me the big chat. No di. And no sign my mouth di. Game pack star 946 hash. And we are the most popular code and for the disc go on bottom oba no follow prompts there banana if you want fast di. Simple. Pick 4 so no be 4 numbers we number we no number is in a pa. No disc go bottom. Game pack for enkomo na mene odi na no Play Store na App Store which ma download your app no na abbreviate wa na udi sa no pa no nkron ye be draw back no do mienu na draw back asansu anwumre no nsia na draw back asansu di ni day wo akwanya imprensa so obetima disc dia go bottom nti game pack for kan one opay na yare nsam no so e de brewo ye ka ye mekadwa na ye Dr. Michael Ajekum on the 2nd of May, or lunch book for Frokra. Inti meka wasam ya cheo abra show no ekoswa. Sergio Manocho, Bernard Padiboche, me producers. Kejuan Kasani Erica Sirubwedi, sign Mwakwa, Besha Seria Fida, UEFA Champions League and Ra. Ya yanama huwa last Barcelona Petre sa kwa pimo Paris Saint-Germain kwa kuwini by fiat te wasa ama Paris Saint-Germain be na film. Sansona Borussia Dortmund so ya jumana against Atletico de Madrid. It is Spain for me no. And I feel I can't see anyone right now. I can't Spain. They Coco Piemo in those 2 games. As you say, the next round of the competition, Borussia Dortmund and Paris Saint-Germain are qualified at the co at the channel. So far, from now, Coco Piemo and next games, and also now Dross Cassian and Ketwa. The Dross Cassiano are 3-3, Man City, Real Madrid, Dross Ketwano, a 2-2, Bayern Munich, Arsenal. Tene more person qualify who anymore, Sheneko. And now no me babe catch us say both teams to score no ebebo. Because so munyina obi apehye enra abo ene yanom mienu ede ya obi abehye nyonko bi. Tisika na ebusa no tuwe na still okwa sorry Sunday kwa che Yankopon say o man ska Yankopon ebubefu pa. O ska na abin so go yi. E no go job. Right. Bayern now Man City Real Madrid and live commentary on Adom FM ne Asempa FM tika channel so sa FMI gamepackgames.com pick 1 and then pick 4 games on the Badwam show. Say also with my disc dia go botomo and on ye can for dia man na pay star 946 hash na kwambia so do ho agimo hormo. Na yemra fie. Yemra head ekoso e fie the newly appointed club licensing manager of a GFA Esme Men's that they won it. Shonkondiama clubs are hold on at Shomo. Say, enche amo beba inspection. Now, this year inspection on bebano. And yes, say, bebana, I can say, about 2 weeks be my dear or grass, bebano grass, I share. Yama mo boro. Venice ni be way be chicken, sunset to be a back TV swa. Na ya abofonopa. This time the omonia brea. Be ye Venice ni be brain. And yama be as a clubs near one year, yamfa hon and chow experiments.
There are so many requirements clubs must meet to be able to be issued licenses before they can participate in our local leagues. We can only improve. That should be the main aim of our department. In fact, with any department, you improve on what is already there. So, because whatever has been done before is not bad. We just need to improve. We just need to work on it and improve on it and be a little bit tough on certain things. Because when we look at our training pitches and we look at the youth development, which is the main aim of our football, clubs don't usually pay attention to our youth football development. So we'll look at that thoroughly and make sure things are done right at the juvenile level. Things will change gradually. It won't be a one day something. No, it will be gradual. It's a process. So we'll follow through with the process and make sure things are done. Right, and only the Esme Men's or the 2 ground on their club licensing bosses say our ban or say
they say they shan when you abre be nneema bibia etima koye na competitions director or the Ghana Football Association na yesi gutu gina wa yemfi honko ba bia Jilo Semuna and so den sem kakra to dre chemo say police ni media any other stakeholders na yenken toma embum na say be ko park so na ye bu we ni ye tawe yesum ye tata referee ni ade nyina no eto ntwa e wo football mo.
Every week we are going to analyze the matches and plan ahead from a security perspective, the necessary deployment that needs to be done. We are even exploring the possibility through the IGP to do crisscrossing policing, where police from different districts or region will police certain matches. As we all appreciate that familiarity with police officers is one of the reasons why some supporters misbehave. We are also not, leaving no stone unturned in terms of putting corporates before courts. As you already know, that those incidents that happened in Kumasi, they've gone to court, and the case is being processed, and if found guilty, they are going to face the law. That is also going to send a strong warning to other hooligans in the game. It is a zero tolerance towards hooligans because they have no place in our football. Football is a friendly game, and we expect that no matter the results, we have to exhibit that Ghanaian friendship culture we all have. And so people who are hooligans, we want to send a strong warning to them that we are sorry. The Ghana Football Association is strongly against hooligans. So if you are a hooligan, you can find a different place to attend, not our football venues.
And so, I know dear Bekoso. Take action and so mammy, and on the penny for the to Aquemo, someone share masses ziggy bien coso parks with him. Yet Chiwa, and Yafina, and penny for the pacho, Yadobetum. Aha, sans okota obi small park so they said wa could this service who on chamber bianti football no yin fi crime ho yeah crime no bi no akọ committee no teno ne de Raimuna e de tudwa e wo ho enomo na yenko anim ne yenkopi mu wo club issues kakra ba hye ne so ma me say wo the International Conference Center on the 2nd of May and sabu kese ne launch fundamentals of entrepreneurship and Dr. Michael Ajekum ono book fufura wasan twro e de badwaman so nyasam keto akra nti patro nyina mfe ho enyi mebo namba no de ama na woni omadi nkomo na bibia pese woni omadi nsa so bia na watimi ne omadi ensa so e wo so na yemfi wo hekopi mu kuma se asante koro kwa kache ne yeko pressure ba coach ono na ye coach pani parma prosper nete ogum enra reports efi kuma se ba ne se okọ training se okwa akoye training on boys ne ade a fans ne bia koso ma ne training ne ade a Sergio Manucho edisa ansem na chi
adakọja ache no no bu afu pa twede na mapoma hye ntoma mu a omasoma mo kan se Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum onu na bedi akire en technical team ni nyina omfa mo dwuma nto wo se na ebe ya asante kotoko abekọ nanim na nsen tem boboko no omo twefa omobo e Ghana Premier League nim anunti na kitafo yi ekopia bia ya amrante sese omo ho a enko mo tuntasu kokọ ade akire coach nanso obi ka kire coach na onna we de akire nyina wan kopie training grounds nti akasakasa yi ana me ntimi ho ase wan hunu bie empanifo kakra ho ko hye kitafo a omo ne omo kasa aye nso gitu mu se meeting chenchenche bi bekoso ne na bebi e bekwa wie bia ombe ka kire kitafo no na ye koye nimu no omo akire se ne eboboko no ebeko nanso kitafo ndi sisu dua so rappers for Ogum de omone samates akensi ebeba so na watwe awie no omu hia no na sasa akwajigo a de omo pe no ombe na santemam ho.
Right, and so no need the ekoso Kumasi gusu disaster nechi ebe be kwa wie ni ade na yenkopie mu Dreams FC omo nekita Ghana Franca na wo Africa omo the semi-final of the CAF Confederation Cup now first leg be Basso Egypt against Zamalek na second leg Basso on the 28th na coach Karim Zito on a coach pani Parma Dreams den samo to dwa say omani abre Zamalek team kese de na so mbayira mu hare se betumi afa coach Karim Zito or say the higher you go the hotter it becomes our football mu nka normal life de nka higher you go na ekodu football mu de nye kodu asem pacho hot asem Chebe se na sa game de beko against Zamalek. Shane soma me na me ka the fundamentals of entrepreneurship no ho asama cho pacho open inquiries bia betma free 0508 110 755 nana says 059 240 1991 na chese oni mpanimfo atwetwe nkomo na Dr. Michael Ajekumbu who baso on the 2nd of May World International Conference Center. And your colleague back when any fear her birthday, or say a rapper, Don Ichi, the host of Kasahara Level on Adom FM, and your birthday. Happy birthday going out to you, Don Ichi. Nyamin Shao, on ton kwenem na bibia de wakuma subia nyame enyama. Na ordinary birthday or Sunday mami na di birthday no. Don Ichi. Yes, Mrs. Eunice Hology, Mama Ichi no. And so happy birthday going out to you, Tika Shannon Sosa family Don Ichi, and then Mame, Mrs. Eunice Hology, and of course the big man, Amahine Kwabna Sante, so a birthday and Yankupon Enshirao, Anton Quenem, Menkasa Yamino Casabio, Sans also Dada, Yame Emma more cash. Amahine Kwabna Sante, happy birthday going out to you, Yamin Shao, Papa, imagine so then Yasi, said Joe Manucho, Bernard Padibo, Tremi producers, Yana Wakai, Ede, Nankasaka Kijwana, Erica Siedu Bodini, Ede, Pomodion, Sembetuaso, Koswa Hebegum.